Remember how I told y'all in my YouTube videos that it's sundown time for America? See these ruins right here? I'm in an all-black town. It's about a square mile size town. It's the most destitute looking place I've seen in a long time. In the same way the resources don't get put into black towns, is the same way there's going to be no resources for those of you who've been affected by Hurricane Helene. Just like y'all didn't have any compassion for those affected by Hurricane Katrina, you've reaped what you have sown. It's sundown time for America.